We'll guide you through how to identify and check your iPad model and generation. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this can be really convenient to do, as perhaps you're wanting to check whether your iPad goes and meets requirements for a certain app or game or something else, or perhaps you want to go and check online if the iPad is still going to be supported by Apple and if you can go and get the latest iOS. So to be able to go and know this is really essential. There are different ways you can go about it. In this video, we're covering what we find to be the easiest way, but there are different ways. For example, you can go and check originally where you went and bought it from by the receipt, but I think it's way easier just to go and check within the iPad settings. It's quick and convenient. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and find the settings app on your iPad. So you can go and open that up. Now, what you can do is you can do this whether your iPad is currently vertical or if you go and switch it to the horizontal mode as well. So once you're in here, then what you want to do is you want to come over to the left and you'll see the list of the different options. You want to go and find the option for general. If you struggle to find it, you can always use the search function at the top, but it's really easy to find usually. So then what you can do is come into general and you're going to go and see a load more options. You come over to the right now, you can scroll through here and see some different useful things. What we're looking for though is the about section. So what you can do is you can go and press about like so. I'm just going to go and hide some of the digits here because they're quite private. And what you're looking for is model name. So you can go and see here, this iPad is the iPad A16. So what this means is that is the model. This is also known as the iPad 11th generation. So once you go and see the model name here, you can always go and search online to go and find out a bit more info about it. Like I could go and type in iPad A16, give me some more info, but that is the model. And you can go and see the iOS is running and the name at the top there. That's it. So that is the generation and model. If you found this useful and want to see more useful guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and loads more to come as well.